Hello and welcome to our Georgia Suburban Homestead. I'm going to try out my holiday gift for the first time. I'm going to be cranking out some hamburger at the moment, maybe. We're going to see. I bought a nice little roast. I've cut it up into chunks. Let's see if you can see it. There we go. I cut them up into relatively big chunks, and we're going to feed them into here. And this thing mounts a little low, so you're going to have a relatively small pan underneath there as far as height. And we'll see how it works out, huh? We'll see how it works out. So, put a few in here. See, one has a place where you can have a belt in case you want to run it off of a motor. And you do have to mount it to a relatively substantial piece of wood. Ah, there we go. Just had a piece caught in there. Do the two-handed trick, and it does seem to be coming out. Chair out of the way. Does give you a workout though. Okay, I got it ground down, I got it cleaned up. Since it's bolted to the board here, the easiest way to do it is actually reach in. It's big enough you can actually reach in and get in there. The screw was covered in tallow from doing the beef. It was interesting to try to clean up. However, just get your sponge, put it in there, and just starts going back and forth, and that worked pretty well. There goes the time to cook the bread alarm. Okay, so let me turn that off. It didn't take me too long to make reduce that down to hamburger. It's a bit of a workout. So what I would suggest is, if you're going to make yourself hamburger, or ground up meat for your own beef jerky or whatever, do about 30 pounds at a time, or you can do it less at a time, but then well, I don't know, you might get tired. it's a bit of a chore. I might try cutting them up into smaller pieces next time, but it comes out. It's, doesn't matter how tough the meat you started off with, you got pretty easy to chew stuff, so it'll go down just nice. And put your spices in with that, and you're good to go. Whether you're drying it for beef jerky, or whether you're going to make hamburgers or stuffed peppers or whatever. So y'all hit the subscribe button, maybe that black bell, so you get new notifications for the new videos. And oh, there's a third thing in there. Oh, the thumbs up. Yeah, y'all might like this thing. Next thing we're going to try is grinding up fruit, maybe some nuts. Put some peanuts through and see how they come out. Hopefully that'll be a lot easier to clean up. But we want to make a recipe with ground up peanuts and fruit. And put a little honey in there to stick it all together and kind of dry a little bit, and then you've got yourself a high energy snack. So, and it's relatively nutritious because of the fruit, and you don't have to start buying all that store-bought stuff. So give us a like and subscribe and come back. Okay? Bye.